Let me show you how to do this Coraline makeup. To start this look off, we're going to prime my face and we're going to slick back my hair into a low bun. Now that my primer is dry, we're going to go in with my lightest concealer and put this all over my face for the base. And I'm just going to take a foundation brush and basically just even it out everywhere. So we're going to take a more precise blending brush here and we're going to go in with our You Can Be palette. We're going to go in with this like light brown right here. That's just a little few shades difference from our skin. And we're going to outline the eyes. So basically what we're going to do is basically just kind of do a little bit more of a round here. That way it looks a little bit more cartoony. Also going to draw it in and fill it in. Now we're going to take my iconic contour pot and we're going to contour our nose and around the eyes as well. So for the eyes, it's basically going to be just on the outer edge to kind of give it more of a shape. Just like that. And underneath as well. And we'll do the other eye. Now for the nose, we're using a super fine brush. That way I can actually get in here and do what I really want to do. Get in a little bit to really kind of help with that curve idea. And bring it down. To really give the nose like an outward effect, we're going to kind of go like here and here and angle it there and bring it down. That way it looks like it's going to pop out. A little bit of contour like right here as well. Make sure to blend it in though. We're going to use this also to kind of almost outline where the tip of her eyeball or like the tip of like the cartoon eye would be. Now for the lips, we're basically just going to outline like almost a smile. So like this. Lovely. Now for this look, we're going to do the tiniest little black wing. We're going to use our You Can Be palette again and an angled brush. And we're going to dip in with this beautiful shimmery black. So it's going to be the tiniest little wing ever. Literally just enough to give a little bit of depth in the eye. So now we're using our cheekbone beauty stick to kind of like really make this nose pop. So I'm going to put some like right here to highlight that it's a highlighted spot. We're also going to bring it like this. That way it looks a little bit more angled like hers does. And we're going to put a little bit right here to kind of help highlight that area. A little bit right there, right here. And I'm going to blend this out with a soft brush. I'll show you. I'm going to use this really cute little brush right here. That way I have a lot more accuracy. Lovely. Lovely. Let's kind of dull right here a little with our finger and dull it in here. Much better. Now I'm going to take this and do the same things here. It's going to give you better coverage as well when you do stuff like this. This is just going to help shape the eye a little bit better. So now to really make this nose pop, we're going to take this white eyeshadow here with that same brush, dip in, and we're going to really make this area pop. Lovely. Okay, all right, girl, go for it. Might as well put some here too. Really make this pop where it's more of a cartoony look. A little bit here too. Now we're going to fill our eyebrows in with our blue Annabelle eyeliner. So basically I want it to be like that at the front. So go like that. Now for the other eyebrow. So now we're going to use my Benefit brow pencil to do the big freckles. So for the lips, we're going to use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick and our e.l.f. pink lip plumper. And then after that, I'm going to do some finishing touches and I will show you the finished result. And this is the final look. What do we think? I feel like I did such a good job on this look. So I'm going to go do a bunch of transitions and you should really check those out. I hope you had a great day. Bye!